I'm Jacqueline Diaz-Nieto, Associate SuDS Engineer at DPG. The project that I'm most proud of is working on a real-life project with Doncaster Council, looking at implementing hundreds of little SuDS in a catchment where there's some real-life surface water flooding issues. So one of the reasons I'm really proud of working on this project is because it provides a lovely link to my long history in SuDS, because I did a PhD almost 20 years ago doing almost a similar thing, which is why I'm really proud and happy to have that link in my career and being able to work on real life projects and demonstrating the benefits of SuDS. And we've come up with a really neat way called a violin plot of demonstrating and quantifying by exactly how much the affected flood properties are alleviated by flood risk when you drop lots of SuDS into a catchment.